Hello and welcome to my presentation of the new Amiga series with the optional OverTonerFoling or digital sleeking. Today I want to present you the different possibilities of this option and the wide range of products you can finish this with this really nice option. We have prepared some samples and we will try to figure out what kind of printers you can use, what kind of substrate you can use, and we'll show you some samples. Here you see the Komfi feeding head. This kind of feeding helps a lot on feeding of difficult papers. You just make a positioning of the feeding head, you come up with the pile, fix it. On the side you have some side blowers to help difficult digital prints to separate perfectly. This is the front lay registration of the sheets. This is very important to achieve an accurate overlap with less than 1 mm differences. This is our infrared heated chrome cylinder. We have the measurement of the temperature in the middle of the machine to get a precise result on the OverTonerFoling. This is our unwinding air shaft for fixed positioning of the lamination film or the overtoner film with measurement for quick setup. We have a tension control, so you can control the tension, and as well we are able to fix it quick. And then as an optional part we have the 1-inch unwind shaft for thin rolls, so you can position the film here. Now we have to position the OTF film on the right position. We have the measurement, so we go to 330, fix the film, that's it, close it. And then we can set up the tension here. We open the roll. The roller is already heated, so we have to be careful on our fingers. So we take it, put the film through, and we are ready for setup. And now we have to position this film on the rewind shaft. Okay, so we set up the machine now. We already start with the first sheet. In this case, it's a Canon print with soft touch film and black overprint. So I start the machine. Everything will be done automatically. So the sheet is separated, forwarded to the front edge. Now we run 11 meters per minute or 1,500 sheets. Here on top you see the rewinding shaft with tension control. This is important to have a straight film. Also important is the separation knife, which separates the substrate and the film to get precise results in small characters and graphics, small graphic pictures. So this job we want to show you a print on a Konica digital print. In this case we use the 1-inch shaft with a Kurz film, just to see that you can also use, instead of the 3-inch core, you can use the 1-inch core for some special applications or jobs. These Konica prints are laminated with a soft touch film and then printed black on top, and now we finish in this case with a gold OTF film. In this video or in this sample we want to show you OverTonerFoling on top of an Indigo print. It was printed on an Indigo 5900 on a coated paper. We run around 9 meters or 1,100 sheets per hour at the moment.